What's up? What's up, people, people, people? What's up? What's up? What's up, people, people, people? What's shaking? This morning, this is what I woke up to. I like this 5 minute Sibby. I like how we waked up into it, and that's why I went short. So literally, that was the first thing I seen when I woke up this morning. And then, excuse me. So that'll be our first target. This right here, or this one. And then I'm pretty sure there's no news today. Wednesday 27th. So we got no news this morning. So whatever happens needs to jump off and be clear as day. Man, we're closing this 5 minute right here. I like how we're below this 5 minute, and I would like to see the market stay below it because all we did was close it. So I like to see it get down here one day. Why is the screen doing that? Oh, you know what? First target's got to be this. And that's consequent encroachment of this wick. Why is my screen doing that? Like it's going crazy. I said I want to see it stay below that. And our target is down here. That's consequent encroachment of that daily wick. But like I said, if we stay below this, I like that. We got equals down there. We ran a high, created what? Sibby. So that says short as well. So I like how we're down. Yeah, there we go. I want to see it stay below that and start working into here, down into there. What I would like to see is it to work lower down into this daily minimum up into here. And that's the top of that, the bottom of the daily wick. Excuse me. So I want to see it stay below halfway of this. I'll move the stop loss down. Let's see what we're doing in the 1 minute. All we did was close this. Like I said, as long as it stays below there, I like that. Again, this is where I opened up my, computer screen too. As soon as I seen it, we wicked up in there and we closed down. I went short. I should have went short up there and into that 5-minute civvy. I said I wasn't at my desk at the time. I want to see it leave this 5-minute BISI. 1 minute chart, that's what we're starting to do. One thing I do like on the 1 minute is this right here. Stay below. And we wicked up into this 1 minute civvy. We just ran sell side down here. Again, I don't want to see it come back up. I would like to see it start working down into this right here. Not sure what that is. Oh yeah, that's consequent encroachment. So this is consequent encroachment between the London low and this. Don't want to see a single candle lay over this. So this is what I'm looking at on the 1 minute. We got this 1 minute civvy, wicked up halfway. We wicked up into it one more time. Like I said, I would like to see lower prices, but we do have all these inefficiencies up here. So, well, what did we just do? Well, we closed this one, wick down. Uh-oh. Excuse me. Yeah, I don't like that one. See, and that's where, like I said, I want to see lower prices because we left this high, left that high, ran this. We're below the 5 minute. That's my higher time frame. So we're below, consequent approaching to that too. Let's see where this opening bill takes us, because like I said, we ran this down here. We'll just settle with 3. I said I want to see get here. I said my first target is going to be this right here. We'll take 1 off. We'll take 2 off, actually. We'll take the majority. Make sure we pay ourselves. And we'll leave 1 runner. That's right at this low, so I want to see if we can get past this. Honestly, I probably should take 2 there. Or at least 1. Because that's a low. Let's see if we can get to that sell side. And immediately rebalance back up. 9:30 opening bell. Just want to see what we got for opening range. All right. Excuse me. I want to see if we can tag this. We just hit the sell side down there. Again, that's consequent encroachment between the low London and then sorry, that's consequent. This where my uh, market order is. That's consequent encroachment halfway between this and that. And look at that. We didn't even. We're gonna take what we can get. We didn't even freaking. All right, cool. And I closed it because we ran sell side and we only wicked. We didn't go any lower. It's so slow. So we just ran sell side here. Wicked back up until we don't have first presented fair value gap either. So we ran sell side here. Immediately went back up. So I wanted to see lower prices, but since we didn't even get below consequent encroachment of this and that, we literally stopped at it. So okay. Okay. So what I should be doing is measuring this wick and paying attention to that. No losses so far. Put on 380, but like I said this morning, there is no news driver. So I'm not really expecting a whole lot. You can hear the cricket. And then our opening range gap, we haven't even, it's pretty wide. Open, close. So 50% is right there, really? All right. Oh, wait, we don't open. Opened here. Close there. I said I wanted to see lower prices, start working down into here. But since we stopped here, ran the sell side, as soon as we ran the sell side, I should have been looking for longs up until this consequent encroachment. So we're waking off the 5 minute again. Excuse me. Got 4 lows down. We'll go 3. 2. So I still like the lows. I mean, we just ran a sell side, relative equal lows right there, and we have inefficiencies here. That's literally the only one. And then up here we got 1, 2, 3. But then the question is, oh, excuse me. It's Wednesday. We're up above this. If we want to go low, it'd be consequent encroachment of this wick. So if we want to go high, I don't know. Waiting on the future is forever. Man, when we gonna get back to flowing, man? When we gonna get back to flowing? So rejected off of this 5-minute again. So I'm gonna look for a short. I'm gonna reject it off of. Oh, we were in the sell side. Ran sell side, stayed above consequent encroachment of this and that. I like these lows down here. Let's see where we at structurally. It's a 15-minute. Let me see. So I wonder if it wants to come down and close this bottom half. Go higher. We're literally in between there and here. I like the lower prices just right now for like the intraday. But long term, I like higher prices. I said 151. I was wondering why that looked like that. That was not 15 minutes. We got this inefficiency here, which is right here. Excuse me. It's been this is, look at that. Look at that, man. Wow. Just yeah, that's wild. It's like the only thing that it has going for it is how we wicked up into this 5 minute and rejected. But we also have this open and that open up there. Oh, excuse me. Looking for an entry to go short. Down at sell side again. Just ran the New York low. It was just created at 9:31. And I wonder if that was we wicked down into it, but we did not go through it. And that's the 15-minute right here. See, we wicked down to halfway, stayed above it. He said intraday, I like lower prices, but long term, I would like to see the market go higher. So that's above the 50. So I want that as an entry if we can get it. Right there. I wanted to do the same thing it did up here. Just wick through it. Just run a sell side as well. We're below. Bum 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 bum. Oh, man, I gotta clear my computer, man. I don't know if like the fuck. I have to clear my computer. Honestly, I want to see it get down there. Buy one back. So what do we just do? We just closed all these inefficiencies. So ideally, I would like to see it get below it. below consequent encroachment of that. We're below this wick. Nope. I want to see it close below that wick. So ideally, below here. Look where we stopped. But we do have this inefficiency up here we can retrace to. Oh, snaps. I don't have a stop loss in here. Put it up at the high. And again, we have a 1 minute SIBI up in here. I don't want to see it come back over it. And we got a single candle laying over it. 20 seconds. So yeah, we literally just closed everything down here. So I don't think we're interested in anything down here right now. So we haven't hit halfway of the open range gap yet. We left it. We close this inefficiency. We close this one. We rejected off of this, which is this wick right here. Literally rejected off of that wick. So 1 minute. Didn't even stay. We didn't even close it below it. Oh, snaps. We got a 5 minute. We got a 5 minute up here. And we're below consequent encroachment of this. There we got this. this, we got all that, and we got highs. So we went up, closed this. Came down, took a low, created a lower low. So we got 952. I'm gonna go short. I like how. So I like how we came. Well, never mind. Let me shut up. Let's see how we operate in here. If we wick up into here, then we'll go short again. If we lay over it, we'll go long and attack these highs. Because literally all we did was close this. Considering we didn't go for it. Single candle over this. My first percent. It's right here. It's a civvy. So I want to see that track act as a true inversion, or it's true. I'm looking at the wrong screen again. So this is our first presented fair value gap after the open, and it's classified as SIBI. Sell side, buy side imbalance. Buy side is delivered. Now we're re-delivering sell side. So I want to see that act like inversion and sim price. Act as inversion, sim price higher. But let's see, 1 day. Just been chopping. 1 week. 1, 2. 1 month. So the month we're green. Yeah, like I said, as this sits, I like I said, long term, I want to see higher prices. But yeah, I don't know. We're back into the first position at fair value gap. So we single candle lay over that. We're going long. We stay below it. We'll look at shorts. See, and that's where it's like, dude, we wick down there too. So the 5-minute CB lines up. As I say, I don't want to go short. I want the longs. It's like, well, why? Well, there's no inefficiencies down there. We stopped here. We're not interested in liquidity right now. And I believe if we're gonna go liquidity, you got this one. You got the London low from 3:20 a.m. Like I've stated before, this is a complete different market compared to 2024. All right, you got liquidity down here and you got inefficiencies up here. We're back into the first presented fair value gap again. Two-minute. Yeah, see, I like them highs. 3-minute. I like the highs up there. Excuse me. I think the shorts is the trick. Just my personal opinion. I think that's the trickery. Again, we get a single candle laying over this first presented fair value up again. We will go long. So I like how this is that wick. I like how we stopped here. So technically, this is closed. Like I said, I would like to see a single candle over it if we're gonna go higher. I don't think that's what we're gonna get. because it's a true SIBI, sell side, buy side imbalance. SIBI, version SIBI. Yeah, that is as it sits, that's difficult. Like I would like to see lower prices. Like I guess today, intraday, but then ultimately long term, I would like to see it go up higher. Just the fact that we haven't left anything. We got 10:02. All right, yeah, we're going long. We'll stop loss down here at this low. We'll take one here. So now I want to see it stay in the top half of this. And look like your boy is wrong. Oh, yeah, no. So this first presented fair value gap is SIBI. Go up at the high. Like I said, since we didn't go and get that oh wait, 5 minute. Oh, so it's a yeah, this is chop session. Like, jeez. Hi. I get some projections. Low. It's high. T. So 50 is here. 100% is there. We got 4, so take 2 there, and then another 2 here. We'll change this back to quarters and delete. So I'm just gonna leave it like with this market, and we're retracing and doing all that. I'm gonna leave a stop loss where it is, and we're just gonna let it run. Whatever happens. The stop loss there is the stop loss is there to do a job, and we're gonna let it do its job. Coming up on the New York AM high at the bottom half of that 5-minute BISI. So since we already spent time below it, and since this 5-minute was already over, I want to see it go just over it. I don't want to see it stay in the bottom half. I literally want to see something close completely over it. And then we do have an inefficiency right here on the 1-minute. It's a BISI. So we can retrace down into there. Like I said, since we already came down below this 5-minute, let me make sure I got that correct. Because I want to see something lay completely over that. I don't want to see it stop at the halfway. I want to see it go up and over it. I can look what lines up with that. You got the New York high that lines up with the consequent encroachment of the 5-minute. So again, I would like to see it go up and over it. Not stop at halfway, not just come and run this sell side up here. I literally want to see it go yoink, just over it. And it's permitted to come down into here. And then I'm pretty sure we just hit what's this? Open. Close. So consequent encroachment of the open range gap is right here. Change that to orange. So I know what it is. Should have bought 2 down there. 5 frame. Yeah, I don't want to put my stop loss there just because of that inefficiency down below it. This is what I'm looking at. So I was thinking about moving my stop loss here, but we have this down here. So I'm gonna leave it where it is, and if we can wick down into this couple, like maybe 1-2 more times, I'll add 2 more. So I wanted to see if we could get down into this one, but it don't look like we're gonna get that. Or it doesn't look like we're gonna get that. Like I said, I wanted to see it come down, take this to work back higher. We're creeping up on the New York AM high, as well as the 5-minute the 5-minute BISI consequent encroachment. Like I said before, I want to see something like completely over that. I'm gonna take consequent encroachment of that as my exit, and we want whole numbers. All right, we're creeping up on this high right here. All right, we just took the old New York high from 9:35 a.m. this morning. So we're up 57.61 ticks. And like I said, my first target is consequent encroachment of the opening range gap. We'll take 2 off there, and then we'll just let it do what it's going to do. Remember, I said I did not want to see it just stop here. I want to see it go through it. All right, so in the 1 minute, we ran these highs, created a BISI, buy side, sell side imbalance on the 1 minute. Oh, we waked up into that. You gonna give it to me though? That's a whole number. 575. Oh shit. That's not a whole number. That's 50. Whatever. We'll hold it. No point in moving it now. So we want to exit off of whole numbers. We got 5-6 seconds in this 1 minute candle. So I want to see you run through that. Come on. Give it to me. That is hilarious. Just dicking around. Literally just dicking around. So we're at the consequent encroachment. Again, we have not retested this 5-minute SIBI. So if we're going higher, I would like to see it just close over it. So far, one, two, three losses, 350, 450, and then 260. And then we just had a win of 1,030. So Didn't really put on anything, so that's why we're going to hold these last two. Hold these last two. I like how we're above halfway of the opening range gap, which is regular trading hours. This one to that one. Or I'm sorry, let me be specific. This close to that open. Again, I like how we're up above this 5-minute BISI. So therefore, I don't want to see it come back below this. If it comes back down, stays in the top half, that is okay. But I don't want to see a single candle lay over this 5-minute. The 1 minute, I like this. Closed above it, wicked into it. So I would suspect, or I would like to see it start working into this 5-minute SIBI, sell side, buy side imbalance. And what are we doing right now? We are delivering buy side. Again, I don't want to see it go to constant halfway and stop. I would like to see it go up and over it. Up 122 ticks. And I got to pay attention to this wick right here. This is the highest wick next to where we're challenging per se. So ideally, I would like to see it close above halfway. And there we go. And I wanted to see it stay up there. Oh, that's not straight. Let me delete that and do it again. Uno mas. Oh, I love this. This is so awesome. Like, this is so awesome. Talk about life changing, man. Talk about life changing. Like, this is so awesome. I don't know where you could do anything like this without doing something illegal or looking over your shoulder. Like, this is the best of the best. Swim with the sharks, homie. Can you swim? Swimming with the sharks, baby. Can you swim? Can you swim? I couldn't at first, but I'm learning. I could not at first, but I am learning, man. At some point, everyone knew nothing. And this beautiful thing called life, it wants to learn, it wants to know things. So that means you're supposed to learn and supposed to know things. Like, this is this is so beautiful. Like clockwork, man. They said I want to see it. I don't want to see it go down below. I'm probably gonna sell one here. Oh, might hit two. Whatever. Whatever. So as of today, what's today? Today's the 27th. Oh wait, that's the wrong screen. And I meant to hit one. I didn't mean to hit two. So and we got this high up here. Swear I'm not hitting myself. There's something flying around me. How big I am. All right. As of today, today is the 27th. That means yesterday was the 26th. We started with 2-2. 1,071.54 minus 223,127.54. $2,056 or doll hairs. Yeah, man, I'll take that. I'll take that, man. I ain't got to give my limited resource to earn that. I'm using an unlimited resource to earn it. Crazy. Crazy. All I'm saying is I'm not using my body to gain anything anymore because your body is limited. Your brain is unlimited. And I think a lot of us get caught in the trap of using your body, which is a limited resource, to gain no real value, because there's no value in money. It's in the exchange of energy, the service, the product, whatever you build, and then you sell it for money. It's not the money. It's not the money. Remember, I said I didn't want to see a single candle lay over that. If it goes and stays in the top half, that's okay. That's permitted. So right now, I would like to see this be treated as a true inversion. It was a 5-minute SIBI. We had a single candle lay over it. So ideally, if I go down to the 1 minute, I don't want to see it go below here. And look what do we have that lines up with it. We have a busy buy side, sell side imbalance. What's being delivered right now? Sell side. So all I'm looking for is, well, is it stand above or is it stand below? Well, again, 5-minute SIBI from this morning, 5-minute candle over it, and we're staying where? In the top half. And again, I could re-enter, I can go back in if I wanted to, but I'm okay with what I've done today. Slow and steady, man. Slow and steady. You see how long we've been on this? It's an hour 9. Yeah, my boy. Might go on. I just want to see since we ran this 5-minute SIBI, I want to see how we operate up in here. See if we get exactly what I just stated. I'm going to start deleting stuff. So again, this is what we're looking at. We're here at this 5-minute SIBI. Sell side, buy side imbalance. Buy side was delivered. So since this is one single candle over it, like completely over it, what I want to see is if it can be treated as inversion. This is no longer a SIBI. It's inversion to send price up. Ooh, and look at that. I love that. Love it. But now we need to see if it's going to hold true. But again, we're above the higher time frame. We have a 1 minute busy that lines up in that 5-minute SIBI. Sell side delivered. And we should see it go up and take this high. Again, I could re-enter all that, but it wouldn't make sense because my ultimate target was up here. And if I was to go, where did I enter the first time? I think it was here to that. So if I go here, we're above the 50. So we got discount, premium. I'm not entering up there. If I wanted to enter, it would be down here and down here. That's why I said I was going to see if we got a retracement in here. So we'll just let it run. Like I said, see if we can get up to that the Asian high. And I'll go and close the recording. Do all the things I need to do. Bum, ba, dum, 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 dum. funny. So it's like, well, what did we do this morning? We came down. Remember, we had consequent encroachment between this and that. We closed below it. And then I was immediately looking over here to see, okay, well, what did we just do? We closed this inefficiency. We didn't close that. We didn't close that. And then we did not go below there. So as soon as we ran this, we immediately came up and stayed above consequent encroachment of it. And that's this low to this low. So that's another like, oh, okay, yeah, you probably should be looking the other way. And then look, boom, see ya, see ya. Don't wanna be ya, cause I love who I am. 10:28. I said there was no news today, so whatever move I needed to take was supposed to jump out at me. And I see a few. Like we went short here to get down. Consequent encroachment of that, which that was a struggle. And then once we hit that, then didn't go for this. It was like, okay, well, excuse me, what inefficiency are up there? Well, we have this 5 minute, and then we have another. And we have another 5 minute inefficiency. And that overlaps. -5 minute Sibby. Oh, yeah. So since we didn't run this low, our immediate attention went up here and up there. Yeah. So we got another. Have a seat tomorrow. I said I want to see this. Look at that. Like what? Like what the hell? Sibby, single candle over it. 5 minute Bissy. So again, ideally, I want to see it stay in the top half. And this is a 5 minute. 1 minute. Top half. Didn't get below it to go higher. Wow. Wowzers. Just took the New York high again. Man, I can't wait till we start flowing again, man. Like I really hope there's a time where we start flowing. We can get past all this back and forth. It's doable. Like it is completely doable. But I want to flow like water. Like I said, the rest of the day, I would be looking for highs to work up into this. But it's like, well, where's the next high? Oh, excuse me. Oh, those are relative equal highs right there. Yeah, those are relative equal highs. Got a high here, got a high here, and you got a high there. So Oh, snaps. Yep. Yep. Like I said, I would like to see it continue to go higher. Um, you got relative equal highs here, and you have a singular high here. So I would like to see that be taken to work up into these highs up here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lows. Let's see, that was so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 with 10 highs. Yeah. I was just counting to see what was up there. We got 2 weeks worth of days. What did we do all last week? Went down. So premium down to a discount. If I'm not mistaken, we're either at equilibrium or right around it. So high to low. Yeah, see. So discount. We spent Friday last week around equilibrium. Monday of this week around equilibrium. Oh wait, where's Tuesday? I didn't mark that. Delete that. And then Tuesday. Okay, so premium discount 50% is equilibrium. So Thursday of last week we discount. Friday we shot up to equilibrium, which remember equilibrium can go either way. Monday we went down below into a discount, back up to a premium because again anything above the 50 is a premium, back down to a discount, back up to the 50, that's equilibrium, took these highs right here. So what I would like to see is continue, maybe hit 1, 2, and work up into these. But I would say September, since we're at the end of August, so that's something I would like to see throughout September. Is higher prices. But like I said, my friends, my family, and my beautiful people, and everybody, and anything in between. Hopefully, you're pursuing and doing something you want to do. Don't let life beat you up, because it's what you make it. We're all freaking creators and create what we want. On that note, love and live life, you beautiful people. You hear them children up there? You hear that? Love and live life, people. Love and live life. I holler. Peace.